station in Himamogla.
Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has flagged concern about the degradation of election campaigning during the 2024 Lok Sabha polls in Meghalaya and highlighted that the people of the state are at a loss. BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang stated that the recent campaigning for the Lok Sabha polls focused more on candidates and political parties calling each other names and using unpleasant words. He lamented that the public is still unclear about what these political parties and their candidates intend to do in the interest of the state if elected. He added that the campaigning was primarily about attacking and speaking ill of one another.
I've seen the kind of campaigning that has happened in the last MP elections. It is more of calling each other names. It's more of, saying very unpleasant words against one candidate, against the other candidate, one party against the other party. And you have very little time left to tell the public as what are you going to do when you get elected. And the thing is, I think so till now, we are really not clear as to any of these political parties, if they win, what are they going to do in the interest of the state.